So you still think you're living on a globe and there isn't an impenetrable barrier above your head? That's cute. That's cute. But I'm here to tell you, it's time to grow up, Peter Pan. Today I want to give you some pretty good evidence that there is a dome above your head, and I want to talk to you about a little something called Operation Fishbowl that was done by your United States government. You see, in 1962, the United States government was sending up high-altitude nuclear tests. Well, I don't really believe in nuclear, but they were sending up powerful missiles. And supposedly, they were testing out what these missiles would do to the atmosphere. But I know what they were really doing. They were testing the strength of the dome above us. And it's funny that they call it Operation Fishbowl. Why would that be? Why would that be? And another name for it? Operation Dominic? Well, do you know what Dominic means? Dominic literally translates to lordly or belonging to God. So they were sending up missiles to test the strength of God's firmament. Now, if you go and research Operation Fishbowl on your own, you can pull up this exact footage that I got that I want to show you compared to a slow motion bullet. So I want you to watch these two. Operation Fishbowl on the left, slow motion bullet on the right. Now this just isn't exploding in the middle of the atmosphere. This is clearly hitting something, just like this bullet is clearly hitting something. And if this isn't enough evidence for you, I'm going to continue to show you that there's a barrier and there's water above. Literally on page 1 of the Bible, it says, "And God said, let there be a firmament in the midst of the waters, and let it divide the waters from the waters." Now what could that mean? Oceans below us. How is this firmament dividing us from waters unless there's waters above? I love providing things that you can go research yourself. This is a SpaceX rocket. You can go find this yourself. And it went up and up and up and up and up. And it finally zoomed way in, and you can see that it looks like it's scraping against something. How would this happen if it just happens to be, 60 miles up going to space? It literally looks like it's scraping against something and maybe hitting some sort of water barrier. Because I think there's frozen oxygen up there that would potentially have some water vapors. And then there's the dome, and then there's more water above. I've shown this in some other videos, but this is called the lunar wave. Again, you can go research this yourself. This is a real thing that occurs. It's been captured dozens and dozens of times. Does that look like anything but water to you? It's not gas, it's not the camera. There's fluid above the dome. And I love to use this video too because it's a proof of so many things. 1, stars aren't what you think. 2, they're in water. 3, they're much closer. And 4, there's dogs in there, but that's a story for another video. So again, if you still think you're living on this instead of this, with an impenetrable dome above your head, time to grow up, Peter Pan.